You want a good deal? Then what you waiting for? We ain't spending no money going low. We eating low carb, paying low cost, dressing real cute. Approval bars. It's the low life. Period.
Hey Low Life fam, welcome back to my channel. And yes, this is my girl from my last video. She's still kicking. I had to fluff her out a little bit because the curls aren't as boom as they were when I first got her. Because girl, I've been wearing it out. So if you want the details on this wig, just check my last video. I will link it up below. And yeah girl, she's still kicking. Okay, she's still cute. Okay, for now. But anyway, I just want to take a quick second and do a quick unboxing with you guys. I have a few subscriptions out there. I love subscription boxes. I think they're so cool, especially when they're affordable and you get full-size products that, you know, and it ends up being cheaper at the end. So this one that I have is a Walmart beauty box, and this one is $5. You get it every quarter, so it's basically $5 every few months. Well, I say quarter, but I think every season, once every season. So I want to do this unboxing with you all for the latest one that I got. And girl, don't ask me what season it's for, because I'm from Louisiana, so I really don't know what seasons are, girl. Like, the weather here is so bipolar, it's ridiculous. So I got this earlier today. I wanted to open it so bad, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make a video out of it. So let's see what we have in this one. Ooh, all right. It's not as many products as last time, but girl, I'm not complaining because all of this was only $5, okay? All right, so first we have Avena Moisturizing Lotion, Hand and Body, Elasticity, Softness, Nutrition, 100% Avena Natural. And this is what it is. Please ignore Lola crying in the background. She just wants attention. That's what that looks like. I've never heard of this brand before. Oh, it just smells really natural. Let me see how it feels. It feels, ooh, it smells clean. I love lotions like this. Anyway, never heard of this brand, but girl, I'll try it. And it's a nice size too. I got one Neutrogena makeup remover. That's so funny. Look how small this is, y'all. It's literally one packet. Like, girl, really? Y'all send me one? Ignore that. I just finished doing my makeup. But girl, okay. I usually get the Equate version of these. So, I mean, I'll try the one Neutrogena one. Maybe I'll try it tonight when I take my makeup off. And then I have the Degree Motion Sense Dry Spray, Ultra Clear Black and White. They have sent this one to me before in one of the beauty boxes, and I haven't even used the other one yet, but it's pretty good deodorant. I have my preference, but I'm always open to trying something new. And what else do we have here? Ooh, something from NYX. Oh my God, I love NYX. Let me see what it is. It says Makeup Crew. 2-piece set. Let me just see what it is, because I can't tell from. Oh yes, I love lippies. It's lippies, you guys. Oh my God. It's California. Wait, it's two Californias? It's two of the same? Oh, one is matte and one is metallic. Girl, this is so cute. Let me, I want to open it more. I'm also going fast too because my camera is about to die, so I hope this video makes it. Ooh, these are really cute. Ooh, one is matte and one is metallic. Girl, I love NYX lippies. And I got both of these. I'll have to look up how much these are by themselves, but like I said, this whole box was $5, okay? And I also got a polish, Color Club, in the shade Take It or Leave It. A nice neutral shade. Can't go wrong with a nice neutral shade. There we go. It's really pretty. And that's really all that came in this one. Usually it's a few more products. And then they send me information cards. Oh, this is the winter one, okay? Girl, because it's hot outside right now. It's like 70 some degrees. And then this is the NYX information card. Just, you know, talking about NYX. We know about NYX, girl. We love NYX. Affordable and cute. And then Neutrogena. Oh, okay. Well, oh, wait, what is it? Is this coupons? I don't think it's coupons. But anyway, look, they come in like the little individual ones come in a pouch like that. Now, I will say that is pretty convenient. I may have to try that Neutrogena because that's really great for traveling. But anyway, that's all that I got in this box. I'm a little sad, but it's okay. I feel like I still got decent products for $5. Like I say, usually I feel like it's a little bit more. So again, I got this lotion. It smells super good and my skin feels really good. Never heard of this brand. Sounds a little like a Beano, but it's worth a try, girl. Okay. And then my Degree Motion Sense spray, my Color Club nail polish, and my one Neutrogena. Girl, it's so cute though. I ain't gonna lie, it's real cute. It's cute. And then my favorite, my two NYX lippies. Oh, I should put it on right now. Let me see. Where's my mirror? Hopefully the video don't cut off. Where's my mirror? I'll use this small mirror on this little eyebrow palette. Let's see how it looks. This is cute. You'll definitely need a lip liner for this. Like, you know, if you're my complexion, you gonna need a lip liner. Let's try the metallic on top. The metallic is a little darker. It's still really cute though. It's cute. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys, you know, my Walmart beauty box. I love boxes, like, and I'll put a link below in the description box on how you can subscribe and get a Walmart beauty box. Like I said, you get one every season. It's always full-size products for the most part. I think it's a really great deal for the things that they send you. And I'm also subscribed to Ipsy. I get an Ipsy bag. Might be kind of old school to y'all, but I love Ipsy. Like, I get so many of my brushes and full-size makeup products. They went up to $12 a month, but I still feel it's worth it because some of the cost of those items, like, it definitely exceeds the cost of the bag in total. One second. Oh, no, Corona. No, I don't have Corona. Okay. But anyway, so I'll link below. I'll also link below how you can subscribe to Ipsy. Okay, I would definitely recommend doing that if you would like to save some money. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Quick videos are not typically my thing. Y'all know I like to talk. But anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Make sure you subscribe to your Walmart box and your Ipsy glam bag. If you have a favorite subscription, let me know below, girl, because I'm all about these boxes because they are definitely low life friendly for the most part. So I hope you guys continue to save money, and always remember that life in between goals should not cost that much. It should be affordable. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah, 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 mwah. Check out some of my other videos and subscribe for weekly money saving hacks. Okay.